Now, there are a few different types of YouTube ads, and there's some really exciting things that are new here, especially as we go into the 2026, quite frankly, strategy for YouTube ads and what that should look like for you. And so there's a few different types. There's in-stream ads. These are ads, the classic YouTube ads you're probably familiar with that play in front of other videos on YouTube. But there's also other types of ads as well. There's in-feed ads. These ads appear in the feed as people are scrolling on YouTube, as a suggested video. They'll pop up as people are searching. And this actually allows you to take longer form videos and run these as in-feed ads. It's actually a really cool strategy where you can run your webinar replays as in-feed ads and retarget people that didn't show up to your webinar. So there's pretty cool things we'll talk about coming up shortly here as well. And these also, of course, can appear alongside other videos on desktop and underneath on mobile. Now, there's also YouTube Short ads. This is another opportunity, especially with a lower cost, lower CPM way to get in front of people over here on Shorts. And there's actually ways to combine these together we'll talk about in a second. And then your videos can also pop up in other places inside of Google's network and platform. Now, what Google has done is they've combined these different ad types together into something called Demand Gen. This combines the classic YouTube in-stream ads with the other forms of ads, the in-feed ads that appear in the feed, also combining it with YouTube Shorts, Discover, and Gmail, all into one campaign designed to do one thing, generate demand. And that's demand for your webinars, people that are actually interested to sign up and consume your webinars.